In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Canva AI Image Generator. If you find this guide useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Canva and go to your dashboard or open any project. Now, look over to the left-hand side menu. Scroll down and click on Apps. It might normally be on Design, but make sure you select Apps. At the top, you'll see a search bar that says Search Canva Apps. Click on it and type Magic Media. Once you see Magic Media appear, click on it. Now, you'll see the AI Generator panel. Make sure Image is selected if you want to generate an image. Next, in the text box, describe what you want to create. For example, you could type something like, "A futuristic city at sunset with flying cars, ultra-realistic photo." After entering your prompt, you can choose the style. For example, you can select photo, digital art, painting, or other available styles. You can also choose the image size, such as square, portrait, or landscape. Once everything is ready, click on Generate Image. Canva will now start generating your AI images. After a few seconds, you'll see several results appear. If you're not happy with them, you can simply click Generate again. If you like one of the images, just click on it, and it will automatically be added to your project. And that's it. That's how you use the Canva AI Image Generator.